have a secret I want to share, to show the world how much we care. It's not a trick, it's not a spell, it's the power of words we know so well. Magic words, let's use them today, to brighten up everyone's way. With kindness and a helping hand, we're the sweetest kids in all the land. If you want to play with a shiny toy, don't be a grumpy girl or boy. Just say please with a great big smile. It makes sharing worth the while. And when your friend gives it to you, what is the thing you ought to do? Say thank you loud and say it clear, spreading joy to all who hear. Magic words, let's use them today, to brighten up everyone's way. If the hallway's full and you need to pass, don't push through the busy class. Say excuse me, please, if I may, as you gently find your way. But if you trip or make a mistake and a little heart begins to ache, say I'm sorry, mean it too. That's how friendships start anew. The sun is up, say good morning. The sun is bright, good afternoon. The moon is out and the stars are bright. Say good night and sleep so tight. It's magic, it's easy, it's the way to go. Watch your kindness start to grow. I say it here, you say it there. Magic words are everywhere. Please, thank you, excuse me, I'm sorry. Good morning, afternoon, and good night too. Kindness starts with me and you.